I don't find ChatGPT useful. I don't see Microsoft Copilot writing business-specific code. Nah, AI can't do my work. How can it know my code has a bug or it's a feature? Yeah, it's true. AI can never replace human. Like microwave never replace the gas stove. But people who know AI well can replace you. Let's go back to the time where bicycle was prominently used by postman to deliver items. Initially, he was able to cover 5 to 7 kilometers per day, but with the introduction of bike, now he can move across 50 kilometers per day. Everyone's job might not have been lost, but with the rising inflation and cost of living, their salary never grew. But companies which have introduced bikes and even bans are able to scale fast. Similar things happen in the banking industry, where digitalization in bank overthrown financial institute where money deposit takes days instead of few seconds. AI has been there for quite some time. So what's new now? We have seen AlphaGo made by people at DeepMind playing board game Go.
Go is the world's oldest continuously played board game. It is one of the simplest and also most abstract.
Beating a professional player at Go is a long-standing challenge of artificial intelligence.
Everything we've ever tried in AI just falls over when you try the game of Go.
The number of possible configurations of the board is more than the number of atoms in the universe.
AlphaGo found a way to learn how to play Go.
So far, AlphaGo has beaten every challenge we've given it.
These ideas that are driving AlphaGo are going to drive our future.
This is it, folks.
Correct, but those AI models are inside a secret locked room and not accessible by people like you and me. But with the publicly made available ChatGPT, we see each new AI system every now and then. Back in 2018, when GPT-1 was released, followed by powerful GPTs like 3.5 and 4, which can understand text. Then come DALL-E and Midjourney, followed by Sora.
OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, has unveiled a new artificial intelligence model that takes written prompts and video in a matter of seconds. I'm looking at the video there, and the graphics are just remarkable. There it is. The tool is named Sora, and it has the potential to revolutionize the content creation space.
I bought this for $79, thinking it was the work of a talented artist. But a robot made it. AI software called Midjourney, created by David Hulse. It's one of several image rendering programs used by millions.
We're giving you this machine that can kind of help you imagine anything you want.
His program learns the rough rules of art by scanning images on the internet. Type in a description of any picture you want.
Like, I want a blue dog in the style of Art Deco.
And boom.
In 2024, we have seen how AI understands voice and can clone our tone, read our surroundings through the mobile camera. OpenAI has even collaborated with Figure to make robots who can do our daily chores like washing and cleaning houses, doing dishes.
Hey, Figure One, what do you see right now?
I see a red apple on a plate in the center of the table, a drying rack with cups and a plate, and you standing nearby with your hand on the table.
Great. Can I have something to eat?
Sure thing.
Great. Can you explain why you did what you just did while you pick up this trash?
On it. So I gave you the apple because it's the only edible item I could provide you with from the table.
Experts estimate that these lovers will be available for general public by the end of this decade. Similar to how we buy cars, we can procure such robots based on our requirements. Yes, still now it is not market ready, but in bigger companies and firms, we can notably see AI robots making decisions to perform day-to-day work. Let's break down what a normal life for us looks like and how it can get impacted by AI. Waking up and preparing breakfast, automated AI cook, which can understand our mood and prepare food accordingly. Travel to office. We already have automated driverless vehicles. For blue-collar jobs, we have AI-powered chatbots to answer company and product-related queries, Claude AI. In agriculture, we have AI-powered robots working in the field for killing weeds, rejecting bad fruits and vegetables. In factories, AI-powered automated guided vehicles, AGVs, also known as robots, to help sort packages and streamline its supply chain at its delivery hubs. For daily health routine, there will be more sophisticated gym equipment which can suggest weight, angle, and the best exercise based on personal strength. What can we do? It depends on who we are. There are three phases of each product: researcher, developer, and implementer. Though there is a fourth category, the left behind people. There is a lot of research going on in the AI field. So if you're into software or mathematics, you can adapt to it quickly. As a programmer or business expert can develop new models to train existing API on niche category and develop new product and features. In business, we can implement and integrate AI to increase our productivity. As individual, we can use AI to summarize email, proofread emails to increase our efficiency and productivity. In Singapore, the government is funding 90% of the fees and encouraging people above 40 years to reskill and be relevant in the AI field. So it's happening right here, right now. Question is not can, rather when. So that's all for today's videos. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up. If you love this video, then sub to the channel. See you again in the next one. Tata. How about the